sensitive. I have a tendency to pay more attention to the things that I need. Sometimes I drink too much, sometimes I test your trust, sometimes I don't know why you stay with me. I'm hard to love, oh, I don't make it easy. Like I still where you stood. I'm hard to love. You say that you need me, well I don't deserve it, but I love that you love me good. I am a short fuse, I am a wrecking ball, crashing into your heart like I do. You're like a Sunday morning, full of grace and full of Jesus. I wish that I could be more like you. I'm hard to love, oh I don't make it easy. I couldn't do it if I stood where you stood. I'm hard to love. You say that you need me, well I don't deserve it, but I love that you love me good. Couldn't do it if I stood where you stood. I'm hard to love, hard to love. You say that you need me, I don't deserve it, but you love me.